When I was 22, I became the project manager. And then at 25, I became the senior project manager for a global brand named RMIT University. Most people take years, even decades, to come to this level. But I found a way to accelerate my journey. And today, through this video, I'm going to share that with you. If you are an executive and want to break into a project management role, land your next big role, or sharpen your skill to become a highly effective project manager, then you're in the right place. When I started my career, I saw two types of people. The first type of people, what type of people who follow the traditional career path, they follow through a very slow, progressive approach into their career. Typically, they wait for the next promotion and pretty much waiting in the long line of getting promoted to the next step in their career. The other group is an accelerated version of everything. They master the skill, they prepare for the next role, they set the right goals, do the old strategic actions, and climb through the ladder really fast. I wanted to be always in the group number 2. And then, fast forward today, I make it happen for myself. So then I asked back, what is the thing actually helped me to be always in the group number 2? And through this video, I'm going to share with you all the key aspects so you can grab this one and you will be able to take the right actions to build this project management skill set for yourself. Project management is one of the highest demanded skill in the world. It was, it is, and it will be even in the era of all transformation and AI. And here's the point. Era of transformation and AI require even more project manager. So why that is the thing? Because a project manager is the person who lead the team, take the team to always to the next steps, and finally enable the team to deliver an outcome to the company. And through that aspect, always make an impact to the business results or business progress. But here's the question. What separates between a highly effective project manager and just an average one? And through my own career progress, I have discovered the answer of this question. Most executives who actually transit to a project management role, they often basically face these two types of roadblocks into their career. The first one, they don't know where to start. The project management, they may have leadership experience, but project management require specific skills and execution approach. Number 2, they struggle to demonstrate their value. Because without the right skill set and without the right mindset, they often struggle to get the right projects, or they've often been overlooked for any important projects. And finally, they've often been getting forgotten for any kind of promotions or raise or bonus from the company. Here is the hard truth. This all coming from Project Management Institute or PMI, which is kind of like the core of project management for all over the world. Let me share them with you. 40 to 50% executive struggle to transit into a project manager role, even keep struggling up to 5 to 10 years through that journey. Yeah, 5 to 10 years. That's pretty long. Only 40 to 30% of the project manager transit into a senior project manager role even 5 to 10 years later in their career. And less than 15% of the senior project manager who actually level up to a project director level. I was very clear. I don't want to wait for 15 years to get to the next level. So I was looking for what is this thing I could do which can help me to get to the next level and way faster than all this traditional path. So when I was thinking all this thing, this is the 3 light bulb movement really helped me out on this aspect. The first one, a project manager earned 4x compared to an executive who is in a non-managerial level. And a senior project manager can earn 2 to 5x compared to a project manager. And for me, I realized this one, these two numbers are amazing because these two numbers can really help me to get to where I want to go financially in my career moving forward. And that gave me the motivation to actually find out and rethink and oversight and plan and strategize my career move so I can move to the next level compared to any traditional approach moving forward. At the same time, I clearly understand one more thing is about. If we could master our skill, so I asked a big question to myself. The question was, how can I transit faster or moving out faster in my journey of project management? And here's the thing. After thinking, analyzing, and strategizing, I found the answer. And this is what I found out the answer. To be a great project manager, I don't need to just manage the task. So what do I really need to manage? I need to manage a result and impact what the project create in the company. Most people think about project management is all about task management, Gantt chart, flow chart, project meetings, and so on. But actually, what makes actually different into the organization is through project management. And I realized this one is all about, I took all this data, insights, and experience and derived one thing, and it's called motivation. And I use that motivation to build up a set of principles, specific knowledge, and a set of mental model that will me a great project manager, that turned me into a great project manager, and moreover, fast track my career growth moving forward. Right now, we are living in an era of transformation and digitization, AI. So what it means, tons of progress need to be made, and how to make the progress is through effective project management. And that's why the companies are desperate to have great project manager inside their team. So in this situation, the company just don't need project manager or people who just follow the process. So what actually company need then? So companies need people who can drive execution, lead people, and ultimately deliver results on time. This course gives you exactly that. It's proven systems, a proven process, insight, and meta models to transition fast in a project manager role, perform at the highest level, and stand out in your industry as a great project manager. I only enjoy learning when I have those three key factors when I'm learning something. The first one, I need to feel good when I'm learning about it. Number two, I need to have a step-by-step guideline in my learning so I can just easily follow through. And number three, I want to build a specific set of mental modeling which I can just use it to make my execution faster and smarter. And that's why in this program, I package all these three factors for you so you can learn this project management skill set and master it and save tons of time compared to any other sources you try to learn from the same skill of project management. Since 2020, I shared this process, approach, mental models of project management to all the global brand companies like INSEE, Mark, AIA, Hitachi, KWE, Siemens, Brooks, and many more. This program is designed to build and then multiply a project management skill, help you to transition faster and unlock different high-paying project management opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Join me in this project management program, accelerate your career, and become an effective project manager. Let's start right now.